In this video, we will walk through how to generate complete kitchen drawings. Start by going into Advanced Tool and selecting the kitchen. Before generating drawings, take a moment to cross-check your kitchen model and make sure all the cabinets and layouts are final. Next, go to the Drawings and Schedules and choose Custom Furniture Drawing. You will see 3 different drawing options over here. Since we need kitchen elevations, select the room elevation and click on Generate. This will open the floor plan view. Select the rooms that contain kitchen cabinets and then click on Generate Drawings again. The system will automatically generate the base cabinet layout, wall cabinet layout, and an overall kitchen plan, along with elevations for all 4 sides. Use the floor plan elevation index to understand the elevation labels and the direction each elevation is pointing to. You will also notice that each elevation includes one external shutter elevation and one internal elevation, showing all internal panels and fittings. If you need to add any details or specification, you can do that here. Apply dimensions, tags, and labels using the edit tools. Once the labeling is complete, move to the layout and compose your drawing sheet. You can refer to the layout video linked in the bio for guidance. After all the edits are finalized, click on Download. All drawing sheets are organized into folders. Select only the required sheets or choose the main folder if you need everything. While generating or downloading, always select room by room instead of the entire project at once. This helps the system process files faster and avoids any unnecessary delays. Download and choose the required format. You have CAD, PDF, and JPEG.